Our Greenway P100 system is way different than any other block system available in the world today. However, fortunately, it installs exactly like every other modular block system available in the world. So there's not a whole lot of new and different things you need to learn. Just like all modular block retaining walls, you're going to bury at least one course below ground, and you're going to dig a trench and fill it up with probably 6 inches of crushed rock, and then top it with a few inches of sand to make it easy to level. And from there, it's just a matter of spacing out your units, backfilling, stacking, compacting, and repeating until you get to the top. We've even made our side rail piece function as a spacer to help you make sure that your blocks are 9 inches apart in a straight line. Pretty simple. Since our Greenway system is designed to be planted and grown over as a living retaining wall, you're going to want to put the best growing media or soil possible into the pocket of each module and the space between each module. We recommend a great grade of local compost, maybe blended in with some granular material like some sand to give it a little porosity and a little bit of weight. And when you're working with the uppermost course of your wall, that's the moment where you can get the maximum amount of soil into the face of the wall, which is going to pay big dividends for plant growth later on. You don't want to use compaction equipment in the face of the wall. You just want to step on the fill and get the modules completely full, and then strike them off so that only the tops of the side rails are showing and ready to stack another course of block. Have fun.